Yeah, Tarini, what's your doubt? Tell me.
Good morning, Miss.
Yeah,
Should we use duck pen?
yeah, you
No.
also. Yeah, open it. Open and keep ready. Whenever I ask you to do it, you can do it. Okay?
But my sister is having a class in a
Class.
laptop.
Okay, no problem. Then after the class, you can have it. Okay, don't disturb her. Don't disturb her. Don't disturb her. She's having class
Mm,
now.
no
You can do it.
problem. Mm.
Yeah. You can
She
see
was,
whatever I am doing now. After that, you can practice after the classes. Okay?
I know.
Yeah.
she's
Oh,
asking laptop to Vyomini miss. That's why I told her to ask to teacher.
no, no, not required now. During the class, not required. After the classes, you can do it. Okay? Just concentrate on the class, whatever I am teaching. How I am doing. After that, you can learn and you can practice. Yeah. Now open your course books. Where were we? Page number. Yeah. Before going to the topic, just I'll ask simple questions. Like to whom? Yeah. Ashrita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Just answer the question, Nana. Which is a dash is a software which is used for drawing in the computer. What is that?
Duck pen.
Very good. Very good. Then dash is the largest part of the screen that is used for drawing Arohi. Again, ma, I can't hear. What is that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, answer the question. Dash is the largest part of the screen that is used for drawing. In TuxPaint, where do we draw the pictures? What is that area called?
Drawing area.
Oh, okay, but one more name for it. Can anyone? Tarini, yeah. Tell me, Tarini.
Canvas area.
Yeah, very good. It's canvas area, right? Okay. And the dash contains the drawing tools and editing tools. So, Ketana, sit
Yes,
properly and answer the question. Dash contains the drawing tools and editing tools. What is that?
paint brush.
No,
Painting area.
no, Nana. Yeah, Janvi. Tell me, Janvi.
Canvas area.
No, this isn't the question. Question. The dash contains drawing tools and editing tools.
Toolbox.
Yes, very good. Next, Bhavashrit, the cool guy.
Yes.
Question for you. A dash palette at the bottom of the screen shows the available colors. What is that? What contains? What is contained at the bottom of the screen? Which where do we have colors? What is it called? Is it color palette or shape palette?
Color palette.
Yeah, very good. Yes. So I think then okay. I'll share the screen. TuxPaint. 1 second. So what is the speciality in TuxPaint you can see, ma, compared to others? Can anyone tell me? What is the difference between this TuxPaint and yeah, Tanvishri, tell me.
Sound effect.
Yes, you can hear the sounds. Yes. Others, down your hands. I got the answer. Sound effect. So in other MS Paint, so normal paints, you cannot get the sounds where you can get the sounds in the TuxPaint, right? Yes. See, whenever you click, you'll get different sounds. I think you all can hear the sounds. Yes. Now this is a canvas area, blank canvas area, and these are the tools. This is a toolbox where we have so many tools like paintbrush, stamp, lines, shapes, text label, everything. And where can we get the grass? In which tool we have grass? Rohit Chaudhary. Yeah, tell me, Rohit.
Ma'am, that is which app, ma'am?
Tuxpain, Nana. So I think you are absent last class, right?
Tuxpaint.
Yeah.
Oh.
You have to download it. Okay. Yeah. Sai Ritvik, tell me in which tool can we get grass?
Magic.
Yeah, very good. Magic tool, right. Okay. Then, and where do we get shapes? This is a shapes tool, right? Which I am showing you. That is a shapes. No, yes, Sai Joshit, what? Any doubt? Or you want to answer?
Ma'am,
Yeah. Tell me.
good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Good
I
morning.
joined now only.
Okay. Now I started now only. Don't worry. Yeah. So this is a shapes tool. Ma. Shapes tool is used to draw some simple filled and unfilled shapes. Yeah, ma Tanvishri, any doubt?
Ma'am, I
Yes.
can't see anything, ma'am.
You can't see anything? All? Everyone? Or only you? Yeah.
ma'am.
Then log out and log in again, ma. Okay?
ma'am.
Yeah. Rohit, tell me what's your doubt?
Ma'am, that tux one, we can do in anyone.
I will tell you after the class. Let me complete the class first. Okay? Any doubts after the class, I will clear regarding the app software. Okay? Just now, listen to the class properly. Yeah, shapes tool is used to draw some filled and unfilled shapes. Suppose I am clicking on this, so you are able to see the shapes on the right side, right? So there are some are unfilled and some are filled. I told you, I think already I told you. Suppose this is a square, right? And this is a also a square. So what is the difference between the two? So this is the first one is unfilled, right? And the second one is filled one, right? So we have all the shapes. Two we are having each and every shape. One is unfilled and one is filled shapes, right? And normal mode, it is used to move the mouse around the canvas to rotate the shape. Click the mouse button again and the shape will be drawn in the current chosen color. So like how to select? First of all, we'll go to shapes. We'll go to any color or any shape. Then what to do? Just click on that. This is normal mode, right? And simple shapes mode. If simple shapes are enabled, the shape will be drawn on the canvas when the mouse button is released. There is no rotation step. So now we are in simple shapes mode, means they are rotating, right? So you can see the symbol of rotation also. This is simple shapes mode. After this, if I click, they'll get select. They'll be drawn on the canvas area. You can see the simple rotation symbol. So now the mouse is in simple shapes mode, right? Now next one is stamp. This is a stamp where you get only, we have only 6 types of stamps. What is this figure I told you? What is the object called in the Tuxpain? What is this called? What is the name of this? What is that? Yeah, Janvi.
Muscat.
Yes, muscat. That is muscat. And mute yourself. So this is so 6 types of muscats we are having, different postures, right? So these are the stamps where we can you can add in your drawings. Just select and click anywhere on the screen that gets added. And this is one more style, right? And here this is one more. This is one more, right? Oh, something he's saying. And here something he's doing, right? Chilling. So these are the 6 types of stamps available right now. And next, the stamp tool is like a set of rubber stamps or stickers. It helps to paste pre-drawn or photographic images like a picture of a horse or a tree or the moon in the pictures. As the mouse is moved around the canvas, an outline follows the mouse showing where the stamp will be placed and how big it will be. Right? Any doubts I'll clear after the class. Don't raise your hands in the middle. Okay? Yes. Now, once again, I'll go to new can. I got a new color, right? And there can be numerous categories of stamps, example animals, plants, outer space, vehicles, people, etc. So we'll see what right now though. So we can move actually to the left or right. We can get many stamps, but right now in this tux paint we don't have any other stamps except these 6. So they did not provide much more stamps in this tux paint. Ketana, you're not concentrating on the class. Ketana Raghav Reddy, sit properly and listen to the class. Or else I'll keep you in the waiting room. Sit properly, open your book. Yes, ma. And this stamp, see down you can see the sizes, right? Small to big you can see. So this is a, yeah, stamps, whatever the stamps, they can be, the size can be decreased or increased. So this is the biggest one. So I have selected one. So see how big it is, right? If you want to make it small, just click on any of the size which you want. So now see here, too small, right? So average I'll take normal. This is a normal. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 types of shapes, sizes. 13 sizes we are having all these stamps, right? And also we have here mirror. See, this is a, 1 second, I'll click new one. Which color? Yeah, now I have selected one. I'll go with this. So this is a mirror image, right? So see, one is showing left and one is showing right hand. So this is a mirror image of the stamps. So suppose I have selected this one, right? And if I select the mirror image, the image gets, stamp gets reversed, right? And one more will take, yeah, this one. And now again I'll select this mirror, the stamp is reversed. So you can get like two mascots are there, right? Twins. So this is about stamps, right? Now take out page number 12, everyone. Yeah, I told you normal mode where you cannot rotate the images, and simple shapes mode where you can, sorry, reverse. Normal mode, you can rotate the shape, canvas, I mean, the image on the canvas area, and simple shapes mode, you cannot rotate the picture. So take out page number 12, everyone. Fill in the blanks with correct option. In dash, the shapes do not rotate. What is the answer? Yes, what is that? Normal mode or simple shapes mode? 1 second, I'll share the board, everyone. 1 second, Nana, just wait. Take out all theme 5, coursebook, page number 12, everyone. Page number 12. Page number 12, write down. Okay, you can't see the screen, I think. 1 second. Yeah. Now see the screen, everyone. Yes, Nana. Group B. Sorry, Group A. So write today's date, everyone. Actually, here. What is today's date? Today is 20. Sorry, 03 02 2021. Right. Now what is that we are writing? Everyone have to write the date on in the course book, page number 12. The up. Write it on the up. Group A. Sorry, Group A. Yes. So the first one is in dash, the shapes do not rotate. Is it normal mode or simple shapes mode? In which mode the shapes will not rotate? Who will answer? Ashita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you tell in which mode the shapes will not rotate? Is it normal mode or simple shapes mode?
Shapes.
Yes. See that it's there in the book. You can see it and tell me the answer. What is that? Which mode? I can't hear you. You can't hear me. I can't hear you. Audio is not coming yours. Once log out and log in again, Maashrita. I can't hear you, Nana. Log out. Go out and come in again. No, I can't hear you. Log out and log in again, okay? What is that? That is simple shapes mode. And next one. Dash tool is used to draw some simple filled and unfilled shapes. Colors or shape? Always Janvi only, no others. Not Janvi always. Somebody else? Not Tarini also. No, I'll not accept from Tarini also. I want somebody else to be answered. Bhanu Manvit. Yes, Bhanu Manvit. Are you there? He's busy. Yes, Bhanu Manvit. Answer the question. Dash tool is used to draw some simple filled and non-filled unfilled shapes. What is that? Colors or shape? Answer the question, Bhanu. Oi, see that dash tool is used to draw some filled and unfilled shapes. Colors or shapes?
Shapes.
That not mean this. Okay, right. So it is shapes. Shape. Next one is the dash tool is like a set of stickers. What is that? Stamp or shapes? Arohi.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell the answer. The dash tool is like a set of stickers. Is it stamp or shape?
Stamp.
Very good. Right. Write down. Yes. This is first one. Next. Match the following we are having, right? We'll write it here. Now tell me small a matches to what? That is shapes. Is it used to move through the categories of stamp? Used to draw filled and unfilled shapes? Used to paste pre-drawn or photographic images? Who raised your hands? Sai Joshi, tell me. Sai,
Ma'am,
yeah, ma, tell me.
A to B, ma'am.
A to B, very good. Okay. Yes. Next one. Mute
Stamp
yourself.
to A.
Stamp to?
A.
No, check it properly. Stamp. A is used to move through the categories of stamp, used to paste pre-drawn or photographic images. Is it A or C?
A.
No, that is that is used to move. B is to C. Sorry. Used to paste. The arrows are to move. This is A. Arrows help us to move through the categories of stamp. Right, everyone? So this section B is your homework, which I will send you in MCB again. Now come to group C, everyone, page number 14, if you have done with this. Just 2 minutes I'll give to complete this. Do it fast. We'll go to page number 14. Yes. Group B is homework. We'll see group C. I observe and draw the flower in tux paint. Answer the question given below. So shall we draw this, the tux paint now? If you complete this, just show your thumbs if you have done with this. Janvi, okay. Ashita is also okay. Ashita, have you done it? Completed? Arohi completed? Okay. Ketana completed? Joshit completed? Bhavashit completed? Okay. Tanvi also completed? Tarini also completed, right? Sairitwik, over? Yeah. And next. Tanvishri, what have? Okay, you have completed. Okay. Okay. Now we will go to the tux paint. I erased. So now, sorry. I want that spiral one, right? Yeah, here it is. So which tool I have taken now for that spiral? Or else lines I'll take. Mayuri joining late. Why? Okay, we'll see how can we draw this. So freehand drawing I am doing. Just I have selected paint tool. From this, you can draw anything like you can hear the sound. You can draw the petals. Can't hear the sound? No, one second. Share sound is there. So which tool I am using now? Can you tell me? Yeah, wait my everyone. So like this you can draw petals to the flower. You can also draw leaves. So like this you can draw n number of leaves. Yes. Is it looking like a flower or not? No? Shall we color it now? Actually color is not there. We will color it. No problem. Some more petals so that it looks big flower. Right? So now for coloring, what you have to take to fill the color, what is that we have to use? Which tool to fill the colors? Pradiksha, unmute yourself. And which tool is used to fill the color in this flower? Is it, you can see from the screen, on the screen, which tool shall I use to fill the color? Unmute Nana, Pradiksha. Sai Ritvik, tell me. Yes, ma, tell me. Which tool?
Color tool. Fill.
Yeah, fill and then color. First we have to select fill. Then we have to choose the color. Which color shall we take? Which color do you all like?
Blue.
One blue color. Blue color flower will be there.
Yes.
Okay. So I have selected blue color. So blue. Everything blue only. Oh, sorry. This, okay. These leaves will take green color. Okay. And one second. Here it is. Open. Yeah. Again, blue color. So this is our nice, beautiful flower, right? So now tell me which tools I have used to do this. I am unmuting you all. You can tell me the answer. Tell me. Which tools did I use?
Fill and brush. Tool. Tool and brush. Tool and brush.
Color don't want because they didn't ask the color there. It's not
Yes.
colored flower. So I just did it because
Color tool, paint tool,
okay.
brush and fill tool.
Paint,
Ma'am.
paint tool, right? Sorry.
Color tool and brush tool.
Okay, write that now in your book.
Ma'am.
Right. Paint tool. You can write paint tool. If you want to color it, you can also write. What is that? Color palette. One second, I'll write on the board. There is a board. Yeah. Can you see the board, my everyone? What is that? Paint tool, color tool, fill tool for filling color. Yes. So you can color the picture. Your homework is to do that section B, sorry, group B, and color this flower. Clear, everyone? Will you do it? One more topic is left. We'll do it tomorrow. Over. Now, those I mean, if you have downloaded the TuxPaint, please do some nice picture and share me, everyone. Okay, ma? Yes, Astita, what's any doubt? Tell me, ma, Astita.
Ma'am, I don't
Ah,
know how to download that.
okay, you don't have anybody to help you?
No, I
Mm. In Google search, you can type download TuxPaint.
okay.
Yes, Ronald?
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
I don't know how to share.
You don't have my number?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you can take it from your class teacher. Take the picture of that and you can send me through WhatsApp.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. 4 minutes left, completed. So we'll just go with the reading. Just any two can read. 1 second. Yeah, Ronald, you only take the course book, page number 10. Unmute, yes, take the
Okay, ma'am.
page number 10.
Page number 10
Yeah,
of course book.
yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
ICT, go to ICT.
I read, ma'am. Opening the page number 10.
And start reading.
Page number 10.
Yeah.
Introduction to TuxPaint.
What is that?
Shape tool. Instruction.
Introduction.
Everything is done.
Introduction.
Introduction.
Mm.
Introduction.
Mm. To?
Shape to TuxPaint.
Yeah, read.
Shape tool is used to draw some simple filled and unfilled shapes.
Yeah.
Step 1. Settle a shape from
What is that?
select
Select a shape.
a shape from selector
Selector. Mm.
or right circle,
Mm.
square, oval, etc.
Okay.
Step 2. In the canvas,
In the canvas, comma is there. Click.
click the mouse and hold it to search
To
the
stretch.
shape out.
To
Stretch
stretch.
out the, to stretch the shape out.
From
From where you click, some shapes can change their position. E.g. rectangle and oval,
okay.
while other connect e.g. square and circle.
While other.
Normal mode,
How you are reading, Ronald? No stop, nothing. When full stop is there, you have to stop for a while, right?
yes.
Okay, then it's time up, Nana. Do the homework. I'll send in MCB classwork also. Okay, it's time to
Okay,
next class. See you all. Have a nice day. Bye, ma.
bye ma'am.
Bye, bye.